Hello student, good morning. To continue the lectures, that is the classification of arthropoda. In last period, general characters and classification of arthropoda we have completed, but remaining part of classification in this period we have to see. Class Crustacea. Crusta means a hard shell. Crusta means hard shell. Mainly aquatic, generally marine, but few fresh water and few live in moist places. Generally free living, but few are parasitic forms. Head of fixed with thorax to form cephalothorax, covered dorsally by carapace. Head bears a pair of compound eyes and 5 pairs of appendages. Thorax and abdomen often with a pair of pyramus appendages. In each segment, appendages modified for various purposes. Respiration either by gills or general body surface. Coelom greatly reduced. It is in the form hemocoel. Blood vesicle system comprises a dorsal contractile heart communicating by visceral ostia with an enclosing pericardium. Sinus. Excretory organs are modified coelomodules, which may be either maxillary glands or antennary glands. Sexes usually separate. Sexual dimorphism is common. Development induces metamorphosis with pre-larval stages. Subclass Cephalocardiacarida, Branchiopoda, Osteopoda, Mustaciocarida, Copepoda, Brandura, Cirripedia, Malacostria. Example: Cancer, Squilla, Nevalia, Proteololepis, etc. Class Chilopoda. Include centipedes or 100-leggers, body flattened dorsoventrally and elongated body, divisible into head and trunk. Head bears a pair of antennae, a pair of mandibles and a pair of maxillae. Each trunk segment with a pair of legs. First pair of legs modified to form poison cloths. Carnivorous, active and predaceous. Symphyla includes garden centipedes, terrestrial but found in damp places with humus body, divisible into head and trunk. Head bears 1 pair of antennae, 1 pair of mandibles and 2 pairs of maxillae. Trunk 12 segmented, bearing 1 pair of legs in each segment. Spiracles are present in head only. Eyes absent. Genital apertures are situated mid-ventrally between 4th pair of legs. Example: Scutigirella, Scolopendrilla, Scutigirella and Spendroporilla. Class Pauropoda. 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 Minute soft-bodied arthropods found in dark damp places, usually under stones, long fallen leaves, and in soil. Body divisible into head and trunk. Head bears a pair of antennae, a pair of mandibles, and two pairs of maxillae forming lower lips. Trunk bears 11 segments and anal pygidium, 9 pairs of legs. In trunk segments, eyes absent. Gonopores lie mid-ventrally on 3 red segments. Example: Poropus, Dicaporopus. Class Diplopoda. Includes Mellitus or Thosomods legs. Body cylindrical, subcylindrical, elongated, and capable of being rolled up by body. Divisible into head, thorax, and abdomen. Head consists of 5 segments, of 4 segments, and abdomen 100 segments. Head possesses 1 pair of antennae, 1 pair of mandibles, and 1 pair of maxillae. Thoracic segments with 1 pair of legs in each, while abdominal segments bears 2 pairs of legs. Poison cloths not found herbivorous. In foot habitats, gonopores mid-ventrally situated on 3rd abdominal segments. Class Insecta. Insectum, being cut into. Insects are in air breathing, mostly terrestrial, and rarely aquatic arthropods. Body is divisible, divided into 3 distinct regions: head, thorax, abdomen. Head consists of 6 fused segments and bears a pair of compound eyes, a pair of antennae, and mouth parts adapted for chewing, biting, piercing, sucking, siphoning, or sponging type. Thorax comprises 3 free segments, each bearing a pair of legs and 2 pairs of wings. Born on the 2nd and 3rd segments. Abdomen comprises 7 to 11 segments and devoid of appendages. Lives is absent, but salivary glands are usually present. Heart is elongated, tubular, and is divided into 8 chambers situated in the abdomen. Respiration by branched tracheae, excretion by Malpighian tubules. Sexes are separate. Development is sometimes direct, more usually complicated by metamorphosis. Subclass Pteriota. Example: Sliverfish, Lepisma, snowflies, springtails. One example, that is cockroach. Phylum Arthropoda, subphylum Mandibulata, class Insecta, subclass Pteriogota, Order Arthroptera. Genus Periplaneta. Species Americana. Periplaneta americana. The cockroach is typical insects and exhibits all the fundamental characteristics of class Insecta. Class Insecta. Example, class Insecta, that is the Periplaneta americana, or it is commonly called as cockroach. In fact, the cockroach are very ancient insect and they are found particularly all over the world except the polar regions. Nearly 2600 species of cockroaches are known, of which 2 species, Periplaneta americana and Blattae orientalis, are commonly found in India. Okay, thank you.